I'm a very sweet person in general.
I'll look into it and let you know. It's very unfair for the people who have been playing.
It's the Traitors, the show that brings out the worst in you. Welcome to CFE Presents The Traitors, Office Edition, a corporate social media reality show of trust, lies, and betrayals. Let the scheming begin. The twist is, whoever is eliminated, जिसका भी नाम उन्होंने लिखा है, they are also eliminated. So it's a double vote out.
So आकाश,
हाँ
अन्विता वोट आउट हुई।
हाँ
अन्विता वोट आउट हुई, उसने तेरा नाम लिया था ना,
हाँ।
तो इसलिए तू भी आउट।
Okay, I would traitor. But it was a legit name. I turned traitor later.
Hi guys, I am eliminating Tapas bhai.
What is this twist? What is this twist? ओ भाई, एक वापस आओ।
मेरे को मौका मिल गया। अब मैं अपना पूरा जोर लगाऊंगा, अपनी पूरी ताकत, पूरा जज्बा सब लगाने के लिए तैयार हूँ मैं अभी।
Guys, on special request, the wildcard round is here. So, out of all of these 7 killed players, 2 will be making a comeback. Not just 1, 2 people.
Yeah, personality. But they'll be coming back as a traitor or वो कैसा पता चलेगा?
No, wildcard is fair enough. Weak people need chance.
Everything you know about this game is being thrown out of the window. There will be new innocents and new traitors.
Now we talking. Now we talking.
I don't know. It's very unfair, I feel.
So when I'm back in the game, I would definitely want to be an innocent because
I hope, I am praying to God that I come back as a traitor. I have some badla business to finish.
We'll play very simple rounds of I spy with my eyes, and then there will be, you have to just guess what I'm trying to say, and you have to give your guesses.
It's time to shine again.
It is just office related, and you will, there will be 5 rounds. Whoever wins the most or answers the fastest, 2 of those will join the game back. Simple, 1 word you will have to give me, that's it. What is your advice to Prats?
Stop working for 15 minutes. This is important.
Guys, we're still doing the final calculation. But one person who has definitely who's definitely back in the game is Pranjali.
The people watching back at home, thanks for getting me back in the game. I won't disappoint you.
Guys, now that the rules have changed and everyone is an innocent for now, we are choosing a new traitor. And this time it's going to be fair and square, so we are doing the classic chit system. I have 6 chits with every player's names. So let's go. Which one should I pick?
I guess
This one? Cool. It's not my fault whoever becomes the traitor or dies today.
I'm asking you, who do you want the person should win?
It is Iron's fault.
फील्डिंग सेट कर रही है सबकी फॉर हर ओन एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस.
ये लोग 4 ट्रेटर्स होके भी कुछ नहीं उखाड़ पाएंगे। मैं एक बन के गेम जीत के दिखाऊंगी। I'm telling you that. Simple.
Guys, one day before the finale, this could be Innocent's last chance to get the traitor out. Or the traitors out. So choose wisely. And yeah, game on guys, game on. Oh! So the count for now is 3-1.
3. Navneet.
So it's 3-1, make that 3-2.
Who has voted Atharva? Navneet?
Before the last vote, the count is 3-2. 3 votes for Tharva, who's not in the office, and 2 votes for Navneet, who's just come back in the game today. The first person to get killed and just made a comeback. So let's see who gets voted out. The final vote is for Moms.
Who? Vivek? Vivek का vote है ना?
Atharva, you'll be really revealing now that are you a traitor or are you innocent?
No, guys, you voted as the wrong guy. I am innocent.
Good, very good. Thanks, मेरे भाई. Thanks, मेरे भाई.
So, as to sum up this game, to sum up this complete event, I have a shairi coming up. So it goes like, Naka karu game madhe ghai. Naka karu game madhe ghai. Rules can change anytime. Do not trust Meghal bhai.
But
If there are 2 innocents, both
Okay.
the innocents win. If there are 2 traitors, both
But
the traitors
Meghal,
win.
this is the same
But
thing.
you
No,
have to remember,
No.
if you are standing next to a traitor, only they will get the
No, but Meghal,
amount.
this is the same thing I asked you yesterday. Understand? Listen to me. I remember asking yesterday, and you were there in the room. What if there are 2 winners, and one is the traitor, and one is what? Innocent. दोनों जीत पे. You said that we'll see. Oh no, you said both will win. You never said that.
Obvious तो है.
If, for example, 3 people win, if one of them is a traitor, only that person wins.
Because I genuinely played my whole game around that only. I played my whole. I am telling you right now on camera, I was a traitor. I was a traitor. Till yesterday, I played the whole game around that, and it is very unfair.
और अब खुद पे आया तो unfair fair. वाह, ये क्या बात है?
As long that's the
Meghal,
game of
you-
the traitors.
No,
If the traitor
Meghal.
survives, they will win.
No,
The
but you
innocents
cannot just change your rule every single day, na?
Popcorn लाना, एक डाइट कोक लाना, मैं बैठ के this is absolute cinema. Loved it.
Like
Because you're feeling it unfair because
No,
it's on
just
your
not me.
end.
No,
That's
not
why.
just me. Or every 3 of us, we felt very unfair.
Because you तुम लोग को लगा कि ये game इधर तक आ गया, but it was completely one-sided. For the drama, it was not.
It was one-sided for the innocents.
दोगलेपन की भी कोई हद होती है भाई. कल तक जो बोल रहे थे कि it's just a game, bro, chill, bro, relax, bro. Everything is just suddenly unfair to them today. Funny. Hello, innocents. Since it's the last kill before the finale night, and since I am the sole traitor and also the wildcard entry, I need to make this kill count. I didn't want to obviously kill Moz because today he was really frustrated and he was yelling, please, whoever is the traitor, kill me. So that's why I want to keep him alive. So the only person who's left who might point fingers is Navneet.
A kill has been made, but there's a twist. It is reverse kill power. So whoever has been killed now has the power to kill. Good night.
कोई मारा.
Yes.
Obvious.
Who do you want to kill?